Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about series. So in the previous classes I have discussed about the pandas introduction and pandas data structures. So there are three types of data structures. One is series, data frame and panel. So in this video we are going to learn about series. So here series is a function in pandas which is used to accept the elements and arrange those elements in column wise. Okay, so series accepts one dimensional data. One dimensional is nothing but it accepts the collection of elements and arrange those elements in a continuous memory location, right? So this is one dimensional data. So this series is used to accept the one dimensional data and arrange these elements in column wise. Okay. So this is known as series. So if you want to create the series, you need to use this syntax. Pandas dot series, because series is a function in pandas, so that's why pandas dot series, it contains the parameters. One is the data, index, d type and next copy. So let's discuss. First, the parameters here, the parameters are data, index, data type and copy. Data means here data takes from various arrays, list, tuples, set, okay, dictionary. We can take data from arrays, list, tuples, okay, etc. Next one, index. So here index values must be unique and hashable, same length as data. So by default, a range of n if no index is specified, no index is passed. For example, the array elements are, for suppose, three elements, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the index? Here the index is 0, 1, 2. Okay, series is used to accept the data and arrange the data in column wise. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the elements are nothing but data. So the data is 1, 2, 3. So if you want to specify the index, you can use index parameter. So I want to index A, B, C. You can give index like this by using index attribute. So in that case, index is equals to A, comma B, comma C. By default, if you didn't specify the index, by default it will take 0, 1, 2. Okay, so if you want to specify any specific index values, you can specify by using index attribute. Okay, the next one is d type. D type is used for data type. So I want to store these elements in a float data type, so that's why you can specify d type is equals to, I want to store float. So d type is equals to float. In that case, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, like this. Okay. Copy data. Okay, so if you want to copy from one variable to another variable, you can use copy. Okay. So here a series can be created by using various inputs. One is array, dictionary, tuples, list, set, scalar values or constant. You can use any of these to create series. Okay. So first I want to create one empty series. Okay. Here a basic series which can be created is an empty series. Empty series is nothing but the series which does not contain any values. Okay. So first you need to import pandas. So I am importing pandas as pd, and next s is equals to, s is a variable, and I am creating series. Okay. So series is a inbuilt function in pandas. So that's why pd dot series. Okay. So I want to create empty series, so that's why I am not providing any data. Next I am printing yes. Okay, So S is a series but which does not contain any values, so that's why it will print like this, empty. Okay. Next, create a series from ND arrays. So if you want to create a series by using arrays, then here if data is an ND array, then index passed must be same length. Okay. The number of elements or the number of index values must match with the number of elements. If no index is passed, by default it will take range of n. Okay. Next, where n is a array length, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to array length minus 1. Okay. If you didn't pass any index, so by default it will assign it to the index ranges from 0 to length of data minus 1. Okay. So this is very simple. So if you want to create array, so what is the array creation? First you need to import numpy, right? So import numpy as np, and after that a is equals to np dot array of 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if you want to create array like this, you can create by using array function. Array is an inbuilt function in numpy, so that's why np dot array of 1, 2, 3. So a is a variable which contains 1, 2, 3. So the array elements are stored in a continuous memory locations. So if you want to convert these array into series, just you need to import pandas as pd, right? Pandas as pd, and after that b is equals to pd dot. Okay. So if you want to create series, you need to use series function, series, and next you need to specify the data. The data is in a variable, so that's why I'm giving ea. Okay. Now the values are stored like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So array is used to store elements in continuous memory locations, whereas series is used to store that elements in a column wise. Okay. So let's see. Next, create a series from dictionary. Okay. So dictionary is nothing but it contains a set of keys and set of values. Okay. Dictionary can be passed as input, and if no index is specified, then dictionary keys are taken as keys. Okay. Dictionary keys are taken as index values. If index is passed, the values in the data corresponding to the labels and the index will be pulled out. Okay. For suppose a colon 1 comma b colon 2 comma c colon 3. So this is 1, b is equals to, like this. So this is one dictionary, right? The dictionary contains keys and values. So this is one key, and this is one more key, and this is one more key. A, B, C are keys. 1, 2, 3 are values. Okay, so I want to convert this dictionary into series. I want to create one series from dictionary. So first you need to import pandas as pd, and after that pd dot series of b. The variable name is b. So I am storing in one more variable, that is c. Okay. So pd dot series of b. Now the values are, so what are the values? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are the values. Those are arranged in column wise. Okay. And next A, B, C is considered as index values. Okay. A, B, C is considered as index values if you didn't specify any index. So for suppose if you are specifying index values like this, index is equals to 2, 3, 4. So I am specifying index value 2, 3, 4. In that case, ABC is not considered as index values. 2, 3, 4 is the index value. If no index is specified, then dictionary keys are taken as index. Otherwise, the index values are taken as index. Okay, next, create a series from scalars. Okay, so if you want to repeat one element number of times, then you can use scalar. Okay, next, see the example. First you need to import pandas as pd, and next I am importing uh, numpy as np. So numpy as np must come in next line. Okay, and after that data is equals to np dot array of abcd. So I am creating one array. Okay, so if you want to create array, then you need to use np numpy module. Okay, next, printing, creating a series from array. Okay, so if you want to create a series, you need to use series function, that is an inbuilt function in pd. So that's why pd dot series of data. Okay, now it will display like this: a b c d. Okay, series is used to arrange the elements in column wise. So here you didn't specify any index value, so that's why it will be considered as 0 1 2 3 like this. Next, creating a list. Okay, creating a series from list. What is a list? The elements are represented within square brackets is known as list. List accepts heterogeneous collection of elements. Okay, so first I am creating here not array. So here I am creating one list. So here a b c d. Okay, so after that s is equals to pd dot series of data. The data contain a b c d. This is a list. Next I am giving index values. So here the index values are, first the elements are a b c d, and index values are 100, 101, 102, and then 103. Okay, if you didn't specify any index values, then it will take 0 1 2 3. If you specify, the index values are taken as index. Okay, next, creating a series from dictionary. So I already told these are the keys and these are the values. Okay, so you can convert a dictionary into series. So here keys are index values and values are values. Okay, and next, creating a series from scalar. So scalar is nothing but repeated value. So I want to repeat 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4. 4 indexes are specified. That's why the 5 element is stored 4 times. Okay, so first 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, so if you specify 3 comma 4, then it will store one more 5. Okay, like this. So let's see the output. So first creating a series from arrays a b c d, and after that list, and after that dictionary. So dictionary keys are considered as index values, and after that creating a series from scalars. So 5 is repeated 4 times. By this we can create a series. Okay, so we can create a series by using list, tuples, set, dictionary, arrays and scalars. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.